Can you tell if it's a boy or not?
Huh?
Can you tell if it's a male?
I can't tell.
Where's the other one? Oh, look behind us! Oh, hey, there he is.
Uh-oh.
See, I smell that garbage.
Oh my goodness.
Sophie.
What I want to know is where the other one is.
Uh-huh.
Might scare him though.
Where'd he go?
He's around the back. He's gonna come around the right side of this dumpster in a second.
Oh, here he is, Jimmy.
He coming back. Yeah, you dogs are for real. You want a piece of me?
Yeah, it's like, okay, do I need to come back now?
Okay, so where's the other one?
He's coming up behind us.
That's what me and your mom just said.